Hi everyone, first of all congratulations to everyone on passing your OPRA exam. In this video I will guide you step by step process how to obtain skill assessment outcome letter from Australian Pharmacy Council. Let's get started. First of all you need to open the official website of Australian Pharmacy Council, that is www.pharmacycouncil.org.au. After that, on the home page top right side you will see the candidate portal. You need to open the candidate portal and after that click on the returning candidates. After clicking on the returning candidates you will lead to the login page. Enter your registered email ID and your password and click on the sign in button. After that you will see your profile over there. Scroll down and click on the dashboard. Scroll down and you will see request a skill assessment letter and you will see your profile over there, and next you will see the payment page. You can pay 300 AUD to the Australian Pharmacy Council and you can proceed with the skill assessment outcome letter. Skill assessment outcome letter usually take 1 to 2 working days, so don't get panic after making the payment. If you face any hurdles in this process you can message us. We are happy to assist you. If you find this video useful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.